In this video, you will learn how to flash a window opening using DuPont StraightFlash before the application of the DuPont Tyvek Fluid Applied WB air and water barrier on a CMU wall. First, make sure the face of the wall is primed with the DuPont recommended primer wherever the StraightFlash is going to adhere. Apply the StraightFlash to the sill of the window and extend up the jamb 6 inches on either side. Align the StraightFlash so that at least 2 inches extends out away from the sill that will be folded down onto the face of the wall. After the StraightFlash has been installed in the sill, cut it and fold it down on the face of the wall. It should extend about 2 inches beyond the jambs on either side. There will be about 4 extra inches of StraightFlash that can be trimmed off. Use the J-roller to ensure maximum adhesion. Now apply StraightFlash on the jambs. Extend the StraightFlash 2 inches onto the face of the wall, 2 inches above the head, and approximately 2 inches below the sill, overlapping the StraightFlash that's on the sill with the StraightFlash that's on the face of the wall. Cut along the sill and the head, being careful not to cut the StraightFlash at the sill. Fold the StraightFlash into the window jambs and press tightly to make sure it's fully adhered. Locate the center point of the window head and adhere the center of the StraightFlash. Then adhere the flashing on one side at a time. Gently adhere the flashing, pressing it at the top of the window, and roll into the corner of the head and the jamb. Press it tightly into the corner and make sure there is no gap. Cut along the vertical edge, being careful not to cut the StraightFlash on the jambs, and then fold the StraightFlash up onto the face of the wall. Extend it over and past the jamb flashing approximately 2 inches. Use the J-roller to ensure maximum adhesion. Put an extra sealant bead across all 4 corners to make sure any pinholes in the corners are fully sealed. Be sure to tool it out to a fillet bead in the corners. After the StraightFlash is installed, apply the DuPont Tyvek Fluid Applied WB. The preferred application method is a pressure roller assembly that attaches to any of the standard spray pumps and will handle 3,000 psi. Use of a power roller delivers a quick, efficient, and even application without backrolling, and compared to a manual roller application, a more consistent thickness, because the installer isn't constantly dipping the roller into a bucket of fluid-applied product. Install the Tyvek Fluid Applied WB so that it overlaps the window flashing 2 inches on all sides. After completion of the application, inspect the integrated membrane to make sure it's continuous and there are no pinholes. Check the edges of the flashing and make sure they are properly coated.